Everybody should have their eyes on my board. Okay, number 1 on the TWA review. It wants you to finish drawing your tiles and find the area. Area means you are multiplying. Remember, I told you that when you see these boxes, you better count them to double check your multiplication. Your multiplication can be wrong. That's why I'm telling you to count your boxes. Because if you count your boxes, your box count is probably going to be correct. We're not playing with the cups. But first I have to finish it. All you're doing is just drawing your lines down. Make sure that they are equal. If you have 2 boxes and they're 1 box, it's obviously wrong. Your boxes are not equal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 3 times. Are we paying attention? I have some friends who are not looking at what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 9. Some of you might know what 9 times 3 is. What is 9 times 3, Diego?
27. Yes.
And then I'm going to double check. Because if I count my boxes and it's not 27, obviously my multiplication was wrong. And I need to go with what I counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27.
So they do match. But if I would have gotten 24 here, but I had 27 boxes here, you better change your answer. If you leave 24 here, but yet your boxes say 27, guess what? I have to count your answer wrong. They have to match. And I suggest you go with what you counted. Here, it says each section of the fence is 6 inches long. Each section, 6, 6, 6, 6. I like how Bailey did it. She counted by 6 in each fence. She goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 got her to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which got her to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 got her to 24.
That's what I did.
So she used her picture to help her get it. Or you could have easily have done 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which would have given you 24.
Yes.
You could have drew 6 dots in each one and counted them. Or you could have done 6 times 4, which would have given you 24. There are so many ways for you to double check your answer, and that's not where that cup goes. I just gave you a lot of different ways for you to show your work. Or you could have done 6, 6, 6, and 6. Still would have given you 24. Yes, Benjamin?
You shouldn't actually just skip count, you know?
But there's no way for you to show me that you skip counted. You could have gone 6, 12, 18, and 24. But again, there's a lot of ways for you to show me. But I liked Bailey's way because she actually showed using the picture. Here, Bailey, put this back in your binder. What is the area of the rectangle? All of you kept getting confused. You were just telling me what these lines were. Area means multiply. You have to find the total. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on that side. 6 times 7. Some of you might know that that is equal to what?
23.
42. How am I going to double check my answer? Omar.
By writing your numbers in the square.
By writing my numbers in the squares.
That's a lot of squares.
And it does get you to 42. I'm not going to count them because we don't have enough time, but that is exactly what you should do. If you bring me your test tomorrow and your box is not filled out, I am telling you to go back. Also, if you have 6 times 7 equals 43, but you have 42 here, but I mark it wrong and you say, Miss Rogers, I meant 42, I still have to mark it wrong. You better go and fix this answer to make it 42. Do you understand?
Yes.
Both of these answers have to match or I'm going to have to mark it wrong. My desk is not to be drawn on. All of you got this problem right, which I am proud of you. It says if this arrow is 3 boxes, it should have said 4 boxes long. 4 boxes long. How many circles long is the arrow? Well, this box has how many?
2.
So this box has to have how many?
2.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8. Same thing on this one. Finish drawing your boxes. Draw all the way down. Draw all the way across. I have 1, 2, 3 on this side. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. 6 times 3 is? 18. I have to count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 and 18 and 18. I am good. Again, remember, if your numbers are different, I'm going to take the number that you say is the answer. I'm going to go ahead and give time right now. Those lovely cups that I gave you cereal in, they need to be in the trash can now because you are too busy playing with them and not utilizing my review time. Now, Haley, your water bottle too. Quickly. Okay, number 6. We all got this problem right. It says, how many blocks long is the candy bar? My candy bar starts right here. It ends right here. So I am counting these blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, if you don't show me your work, I am marking it. I'm sending you back. You have to show me your work. This one was just like we said. Pay attention to the picture. She's saying that they are the exact same. Are they the exact same size? No. So you disagree and tell me why. Look at the size of the pictures. Not looking at how many actual paper clips. We're not looking at this problem because it's not going to be on our TWA. We're not looking at that problem because it's not going to be on our TWA.
Yes.
Look at number 10. Some of you were still missing this problem because you weren't paying attention to what the question asked. About how many centimeters long would 4 candy canes be? Not 1, which it only shows 4. So I need 4. How long is 1 candy cane? 4 centimeters. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. Please stop shouting over me. And there's 1 more. 4 candy canes. 1, 2, 3, 4 candy canes. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is
16.
You could have also done 4 centimeters times 4 candy canes equals 16. But there were 4 candy canes that you had to find. Most of us actually got this problem right, which was shocking because you got the candy cane one wrong. Look at the length of the box. It's 5 centimeters. How long would 5 boxes be? 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, 4 box, 5 box. If you're counting by 5s, you get what?
25.
And then explain your answer. If 1 box is 5 and you need 5, you get 25. Boom. Or you could have said, you have 5, your box is 5, you need 5, so 5 times 5 is 25. I don't care how you explain it, as long as you show me your work and explain it. Here, measure the length of the bow by the boxes. My box starts right here, stops right here. 1, 2, 3. All of y'all got that problem right. You don't need to look at number 13 because that is not on our TWA. Pay attention. You have your 2 timed worksheets for homework tonight, but I also want you to go over your TWA reviews. You have 2 of them. It's also posted online. So you need to watch it if you think that you need to be sure that you know how to solve these problems. Your area needs to be ready to go.